Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back, and today I am unboxing the Nike Air Max Beach Camo. Let's get to it. Hey YouTube, it's SJ, and as I said, I'm back with an unboxing of another pair of Nike Air Max 1. This time it is in the beach camo. I'm really excited to get into this one, so let's speed up about now. Ta-da! So we have a standard Nike red box, and spin it around and around and around. We have Nike Air Max 1 Premium, a US size 7, UK size 6, European 40. Sorry, the dog has just sighed. These are Beach Black-PRALINE, aka Camo, and we all know on this channel that myself and Mr. B love a camo print, which is why even after the last unboxing I said I wasn't buying any more sneakers. I couldn't resist another camo pair. So here we go. Let's hope. Oh my word, now these super nice. Now I love, as I said, love camo, but there is something about this beach camo that I just had to go ahead and get. And for some reason I thought Wednesday was Thursday. So literally I was texting Mr. B on the way to work saying, are you copying? Not sure if I'm copying. Are you copying? Then realised it was Wednesday and he's actually dropped on Thursday. But of course I had to go ahead and get them anyway. So funnily enough, little secret, Mr. B behind on Sneaker Cam there has a pair of these on the way as well. Somehow mine arrived before his, so I get to do the unboxing video. So what do we think, guys? These are nicer than I was expecting, which I'm really pleased about. But actually, no, I'm not, because I was thinking, oh, if I don't like them, I can send them back, and I save myself some money. But these are not going back. I mean, look at these Sneaker Cam. The camo on these is pretty bonkers. So it's not your traditional camo. This is a beach camo, which is perfect for summer. And I believe that this is inspired by the camo that was used by the US Army in the first Iraq War, Desert Storm, all those years ago. Which kind of feels a bit crazy saying all those years ago, because it was, what, like 25 years ago, 20 odd years ago, I think. And the camera just did something weird. I'm seeing weird things out the corner of my eye, and the gimbal that we use for Sneaker Cam has just like gone like this, and doesn't appear to be working. So we may not have Sneaker Cam working throughout this video. So let's have a proper look at these, because I'm rambling on. So these have the beach camo all over on every single panel, and it's in like a canvas. It is actually canvas material, which is really, really nice. Somebody did point out on our stream last week that SJ buys a lot of canvas shoes. You're right. So these are finished with this really nice suede swoosh here, and that is a really nice suede. I can see why they're calling these a premium, because the quality on these compared to all the other Air Max I've seen recently is like spot on. I'm not seeing any real marks or anything weird in sort of the paint on this bit here. These are perfect. So you've got the black swoosh, as I said, which is suede. Then you've got the black flat laces. You've got the Air Max, Nike Air Max tab in black as well. Camera 2 not giving you much love today. Take a look at that. Then on the back heel it just says Nike Air, and then on the sole it's a complete gum sole, and you all know that I'm a big fan of a sneaker with a gum sole, and I mean that is just a super nice shoe. It really is. One of the other nice finishes on this, just having a look, is there's actually stitching. So instead of having like metal eyelets, there's some really nice stitching. But again, for Nike, this is a really nice touch, and on a lot of the drops that we've picked up recently, you're seeing really nice finishes that just set the shoe off really nicely. And again, all of the black stitching around the whole sneaker and around here, it just sets the silhouette of this Air Max 1 off really nicely. And that's a super clean shoe. Really, really nice. As I said, perfect for summer. It's quite lightweight. I'm just going to take paper out just to see whether there's anything exciting. Wow, these are stuffed well. My word, no. Nothing exciting, but I'm going to get that off the desk. It just literally says, and I'll show this to Sneaker Cam if you can see it. The sort of desert colour goes all the way through on the inside, and it just says Nike Air in there. So it's just a really, really nice shoe. Now, I was surprised that these have not sold out in the UK at all. These are still sitting. They sold out in Mr. B's size. Still got them in all other sizes from a UK 6, I think it is, all the way through to a UK 10. So I'm surprised that these are sitting, because that is a super nice summer pickup. These are just perfect for now. Sold out in the US though. So there you go. There you go. You know what? I normally say camo needs a bit of orange to really set it off, but because this is a beach camo rather than your traditional military army green camo, it works without a flash of orange. It really does. That black just sets this beach camo off so well, and I'm actually really pleased I picked these up. I know I said no more Air Max, I know I said it, but you know, camo is up there as one of my weaknesses. It's just something I love, you know. So what do we think, guys? Good cop? Did you pick these up? Let us know in the comments below, as always. Let us know what you think of these. I mean, I'm gonna rock these maybe this afternoon. Who knows? But as I said, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think and give us the old thumbs up if you like these. And don't forget, we are uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we are streaming Sundays at 8 PM BST, 12 PM West Coast, and 3 PM on the East Coast. Kind of forgetting my time zones there, but yeah, come along and join us for a bit of sneaker chat. You may see some more of these on the stream at some point, who knows. Anyway, as I said, leave us a comment. Speak to you soon. Over and out. Was that okay?